Hello students, welcome back. Today in this video we are going to solve a very important problem on application of double integration, that is finding the area. The problem here is find the area of the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 by double integration. A very interesting problem. See, this is Cartesian curve. Equation having x and y is called as Cartesian curve. So for the area of Cartesian curve, I write here for Cartesian curve, the area is given as double integration of dx times dy over the region R. Okay, this is a formula to find area for Cartesian curves. Now, see, this is a curve here I have, that is ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So we have this as x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Now here, this is the origin 0 comma 0, this is the point a comma 0, and this is what 0 comma b. That means area will be, see, I need to find the whole area here. So what I'll simply do, I can either take this quadrant or this half. I'll take this quadrant. So that means I need to find this area. So total area will be nothing but, so area here will be 4 times double integration of, okay, area of this region. So that I will go along the x-axis, simple. So where I go, x is equal to 0 to a. See here, x is equal to 0 to x equals a. Now we are going, this is y is equal to 0 to, see, what is covering? The equation of the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So I'll just explain it here. So we have x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. See, very simple. Outside is the size x is equal to 0 to a, constant. Inside is the equation of y in terms of x. So to find the equation for what? The equation of the ellipse. So from here, that is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. We need to find y in terms of x. So very simple. So we have y square by b square equals 1 minus x square by a square. So y square equals b square into 1 minus x square by a square, or y is equal to b, or I'll write it, or y square is equal to b square into, take the LCM, a square minus x square. Therefore y will be square root of this, so that will be nothing but y is b root of a square minus x square, b over a root of a square minus x square. That's it, as simple as that. Now, so y is equal to now 0 to what? Y equals to b by a root of a square minus x square into dx dy, or see here it is dy dx, right? So it is into dy dx. Write the order properly. That's it. Now we need to simply integrate this. So first we are integrating with respect to y. We are integrating with respect to what? Y. We have solved many problems on this in a previous example. So please do refer the playlist and practice that. Okay. First we are integrating with respect to y. So integration of 1 dy is always y. What? Integration of 1 dy is always y. So this will be now outside limit as it is, x is equal to 0 to x is equal to a. Now when you integrate respect to y dy, see y dy, then there is no y term, so there is 1. Integration of 1 always exists. Please don't do this mistake. Integration of 1 dy is y, and the limits are from 0 to, what is that? Top limit root of b square a square minus x square. Let us be obtained from here into dx. Now put the limits here, that is equal to now, so sorry, I forgot to write 4 here, sorry, 4 times, okay. Now this will be 4 times x equals 0 to x equals a. So in place of y, put a top limit minus 0 as it is. So this will be b over a, okay, b over a root of a square minus x square dx. That's it. Now take this outside. So this will be now 4 b over a integration of x equals 0 to x equals a. This b by is constant, I took it outside. What is inside? You have to integrate to root of a square minus x square dx. Okay. Now one more. You already know, see, there is a standard formula for integration of root of a square minus x square dx. I will write the formula, and I always keep on repeating. This formula is very important. You need to memorize it. Okay. So we have the formula. Write the formula here. Say, so the integration of, let's write here, integration of root of a square minus x square dx equals x root of a square minus x square over 2. See, remember this very carefully. Yeah? Integration of root of a square minus x square dx is equal to x root of a square minus x square over 2 plus a square over 2 sine inverse x by a. Very, very important formula. Let's underline this. This is the formula to find what? Integration of root of a square minus x square dx. Again, listen to my words carefully. Very standard formula. Integration of root of a square minus x square dx is equal to x root of a square minus x square over 2 plus a square over 2 into sine inverse x by a. That's it, simple. Please practice it 10 times and memorize it. Now, directly have the formula here. So, this will be now 4b over a. So, when I integrate with respect to x, right, x dx, the integral sign goes, vanishes. Now, the integration here is directly x root of a square minus x square over 2 plus a square over 2 sine inverse x by a, and when I integrate, the limits are 0 to a. Now, let's put the limit here. So, this will be now 4b over a. So, when I put the limit, means what? In place of x, first you need to put what? A here. See, a into a square minus a square. In place I put a square minus a square is what? 0. Again, 0 plus a square over 2 sine inverse of, what is that? X by a. In place I put a by a by is 1. That's it. And obviously minus everything is 0 only. But what is sine inverse 1? Sine 90 is, or sine pi by 2 is 1. So, sine inverse 1 is what? Opposite, pi by 2. Done. So, we have 4b by a into a square over 2. What is sine inverse 1? Pi by 2. So, let us simplify this now. So, that will be now 2 to the 4 cancels, a cancels, see 2 to the 4 here, right, cancels, a and a cancels. So, we get pi. Beautiful answer. That means area equals what? Pi a b. So, I can write the units, I can write as square units. Square units. Okay, that's the perfect answer. That's it. So, the area of this ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 is nothing but pi a b square units. That's the final answer. That's all. So, very important question often asked in examination. So, please do practice it. It's not difficult. It's very easy if you practice. So, that's all for today's video. If you have any other queries or any other comments, or if you want me to solve any other question, so please drop in the comment below, and please excuse me if I delay in posting your queries, because as you know I am undergoing some cancer treatment, and I think in next week I will be undergoing one more surgery. But don't worry, despite the pain and what I am going through, I will definitely help you for examinations. So please keep practicing, keep doing well. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.